In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the power steering pressure sensor on your G35 Infiniti. Go ahead and remove the under splash tray right now. Our vehicle does not have one. I'm going to use a long pair of pliers and remove the connector off the pressure sensor. There's a little tab on this far side that you'll push on and then pull it down. Using a 27mm socket, we're going to remove the pressure sensor. Install the new pressure sensor. Snug the sensor down. Install the connector onto the new sensor. At this point, go ahead and install your bottom splash shield if your car has one.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.